Hello, this is Liana from Access Fixtures. Today, I want to tell you everything you need to know about the ALTA LED High Bay, a high-heat LED light fixture built to withstand extreme temperatures up to 80 degrees Celsius or 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Before we get into the details, if you like this video, please press the like button. It helps us out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest in commercial, industrial, and sports lighting. Now let's get into what makes ALTA the ultimate solution for high heat environments. In industrial settings where heat pushes conventional lighting to its limits, ALTA LED High Bay lights rise to the challenge. Designed for extreme temperatures up to 80 degrees Celsius or 176 degrees Fahrenheit, ALTA ensures long-lasting performance and reliability, even in the most demanding environments. ALTA's remote driver technology plays a key role in handling extreme temperatures. By separating the driver from the high heat zone, sensitive electronic components are protected, ensuring longer fixture lifespan and easier maintenance. Remote drivers can be positioned up to 80 feet away, allowing flexible installations in industrial environments. ALTA's extruded aluminum housing with die-cast end caps and heat sinks ensures superior thermal performance, preventing overheating and extending the fixture's lifespan. The interlocking design is 3G vibration tested, IP66 rated for waterproof and dustproof protection, and engineered for exceptional durability in high heat applications. Whether used in steel mills, foundries, manufacturing plants, or high temperature warehouses, ALTA provides long-lasting, maintenance-free illumination where you need it most. ALTA's precision optics ensure waste-free illumination, directing light exactly where it's needed. With 17 optic options, including T1S, T5M, and T10D, ALTA reduces glare and prevents unnecessary spill, making it ideal for high bay applications in industrial settings. ALTA is designed for easy maintenance and serviceability. The LED driver tray can be detached without tools, allowing technicians to replace the driver without disrupting or moving the light fixture, thus reducing downtime and labor costs. A new driver can then be quickly installed. ALTA operates at an efficacy of over 155 lumens per watt, ensuring maximum brightness with reduced energy costs. Equipped with 10 kV surge protection, ALTA withstands power fluctuations, guaranteeing uninterrupted performance in challenging work environments. ALTA LED High Bay lights are the ideal solution for high heat environments, such as steel mills, foundries, and high temperature warehouses. Their rugged construction and high efficiency ensure reliable lighting in the toughest conditions. ALTA offers advanced controls for enhanced performance. With options like 1 to 10 volt dimming, DALI, DMX, and motion sensors, lighting can be customized to optimize energy use and increase efficiency. Mounting options include wire suspension, directable bracket, and fixed bracket, providing options for every application. Now you know why ALTA LED High Bay lights are the ultimate solution for high heat environments. To learn more about Access Fixtures' high temperature LED lighting solutions, visit our website at www.accessfixtures.com. To speak with an Access Fixtures lighting specialist about your high heat lighting project, call 1-800-468-9925 today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lighting solutions.